BabyBus.
No, it's mine! It's mine!
Whiskers, Nana, good friends share their toys.
Share their toys?
Yes.
I'm sorry. It's okay, Whiskers. You can have this. All right. Let's build a big house.
Hey friend, let's play with my ball. You bounce it first and I bounce it too. Bounce it, 1, 2, 3, 4. We play together while we are good friends.
Let's draw a picture together.
Hey friend, let's draw with my crayons. You have one of them and I have one. We made a picture, it's beautiful. We play together while we are good friends.
It's raining. What should I do?
Hey friend, I have a little umbrella. We can share, so it's alright.
Raindrops are falling, 1, 2, 3, 4. We look together, we are good friends.
What's wrong, Mimi? Nobody wants to play with me.
Hey friend, come sing and dance with me. I sing first, you dance to my song. La 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 la. We play together while we are good friends. Kids, you can have much fun when you share your things with your friends. Come join us.
Hey! Oh! Oh no, the kite got caught!
Don't worry. Leave it to me.
Hmm?
Huh?
Huh?
Ha!
Huh?
It's flying away! Come back! What do we play with now? There is a little ball and it looks so fun. Let's find the owner. If you want to borrow it, you have to ask her. Can we borrow your ball for a while?
Okay, I'll lend it to you.
Thank you.
are so many surprise eggs here. I'm wondering what's inside. Huh?
5 little surprise eggs, they're dancing, turning around. The red egg, let's open it. See what's inside together. 4 little surprise eggs, they're dancing, turning around. The yellow egg, let's open it. Little car doors in there. 3 little surprise eggs, they're dancing, turning around. The blue egg, let's open it. Little car lights in there. 2 little surprise eggs, they're dancing, turning around. The green egg, let's open it. Little car tires in there. 1 little surprise egg, it's dancing, turning around. The purple egg, let's open it. A flashing light in there. Wow!
Oh, it's a police car.
Huh? Huh? Wow, it's a slide! I love it! It looks so fun! I want to play too!
Hank, you should line up first.
Why do I have to? I want to ride the slide now! You don't have to! You can ride the slide right now! It won't take long. If you line up, everyone can have fun together. Don't line up! Let me tell you why you have to line up. Let's play together. Do not push your friends. Line up, oh line up. Have fun now. Let's play together. Let's play together. Stand in line and wait your turn. Stand in line and wait your turn.
Let's play together. Stand in line and wait your turn. One and another. Let's have fun. Let's play together. Please wait, don't be angry. Next one and next one. It's my turn. Let's play together. Do not push your friends. Line up, oh line up. So much fun. Let's play together. Let's play together.
Stand in line and wait your turn.
Stand in line and wait your turn. Let's play together. Stand in line and wait your turn. One and then another. Let's have fun. Let's play together. Please wait, don't be angry. Next one and next one. It's my turn.
Let's play together.
Let's play together.
Stand in line and wait your turn.
You can have so much fun.
Huh? I said you don't have to line up. All right, I will line up.
Momo, let's
Let's go.
Okay. Ouch!
Huh? Momo, are you okay?
Yes, but my scooter is broken.
Oh. What should we do? We were going to play outside.
It's okay. We can take a bus.
Bus? That's great!
Let's go take a bus.